So it says, danger, do not enter blasting, unstable ground, quicksand, sinkholes, possible injury or death.
What in the heck kind of a mess have we got ourselves into now? Ooh, there's some railroad ties out there. Hey, we're going to go through a cut through here.
Yeah, look at that.
In the rocks.
Hey, we're skipping our hill climb.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Another gate we can open.
If it don't say no trespassing.
Oh, it says no. It says private property, no hunting, hiking, or trespassing.
Yeah, forget that. Golly, look at that red dirt.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. It's really orange.
Weird.
Yeah. Ride my rut. Oh, you screwed it up.
Tried to. These tires don't want to do that as good as the stock ones.
Yeah, they just want to catch traction.
Way more traction. Well, we'll go the other way on the railroad, see where it goes. Yeah, that's some weird red dust.
So I guess
probably radiation, radioactive, toxic junk.
So I guess we should have went through that gate.
Oh, you can see where it goes right there.
What?
Right there, you see that where that gate goes. Oh, to
Well,
the right.
I mean, you said look right there, so.
Well, there's a road. Look right there, but watch where you're going. Whoa. Or we can follow the tracks this way. Because that don't go, I mean, whatever you want to do. We can try the gate.
I mean, we're not going to know where it goes if we don't go through it.
That's how you find out. Do it. Let's do it.
Because see, like this, we thought it went somewhere, but it didn't.
We would have never known if we didn't go on it. Now we'll know next time we're over here, Doc. Don't go that way because that's a dead end.
This right side ain't near as packed down.
Yeah, it was different, I can tell. Please close the gate. They don't say no trespassing on that little writing, huh?
No, or else it wouldn't say please close gate.
Well, that don't mean nothing.
No trespassing.
I can still know it say no trespassing, but if you do, close the gate. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Please no trespassing. And please close the gate if you do break the rules.
Yeah, so if you break the rules, at least try not to break them twice, you know?
Just don't break your face when you break the rules. Oop.
What do you mean it dead ends out here? There's 3 different ways off of this road.
I didn't see that from back there. I wasn't at the gate, so I didn't see it.
See, that's what you get for guessing.
So I get doing my own thinking. Doing my own thinking. Lock and load. So you got a choice of this way or that way or that way. I see dust over there on that border road. Or no, that's not even on the border road. That's on another road. See it?
Yeah.
Which way are you going?
Left.
You're going left. Lefty loosey.
Somebody lost a glove.
Oh man. Probably somebody illegal running through here and lost his glove. He caught it on a snag and tore his glove off. You been drinking more water?
Yeah.
Your teeth gonna float. Oh wow. Ooh, this is soft.
That's us blowing around everywhere in the area, you see it?
Old train bridge. Oh yeah.
It's like those dandelions.
The seeds are planting themselves. So I'm guessing this is a road through here. I don't know.
That's what I'm guessing is it continues right here.
Road through the creek bed.
God, that's deep and sandy.
This is stuff you just sink in this junk. It's crazy.
Yeah, no, I'm constantly counter steering my bike.
Uh-huh. Oh wow, look at that rocks over there.
That's all I was about to say. Look at that. That is crazy.
I don't know if this goes over there, but it looks like it does, but
Never know.
can't tell if that's natural or if that's been mined out or something, dug out.
There's a big old piece of dookie.
Cow patty.
It's crazy how these roads just go from like normal dirt road to railroad track to creek bed to dirt road to paved. It's like, what in the hell is this?
It's crazy. It is crazy.
That does look really cool, whatever that is.
Yeah, it does. It almost looks like it was dug out. I'm not sure.
Pauly Shore would say crazy.
Yeah, it's true.
Wheezing the jit.
It looks like we're definitely going to it.
Yeah, we definitely are. There's even a split off right here, I think. Or a little trail.
That's where somebody turned around. Oh, there's little trails kind of out in there.
A little rut.
Little paths out in there.
Have to find out. There's a sign up there. We're about to find out if there's no trespassing or not. What's it say? Probably a danger sign. Oh, I think this is like mined out or something. What is this? So it says danger. Do not enter blasting. Blasting. Unstable ground, quicksand, sinkholes. No trespassing, no hunting, possible injury or death.
Quicksand sinkholes? I don't know if we want any of that. Let's get out here and look at this anyway.
Yeah, that's what I was wanting to do. Take a look.
It's a mine, or not a mine, but a quarry probably.
Yeah, because it says blasting.
Yeah, it's where they quarried out. Looks like limestone probably.
Where the quicksand at? I want to go play with it.
I can't imagine any quicksand out here unless it rained.
Yeah, that's probably the only thing that will cause it. Maybe after a monsoon, then it stays or something.
Right now it's
I couldn't see a consistent quicksand.
I'd say
way too dry.
I'd say it's slow sand right now.
Yeah.
Not too quick. What is that over there?
Quick at drying up. I don't know. Some little shed building or something.
No, before it.
A tower?
The rock or whatever.
Oh, that rock?
Is that a rock?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Well, that's pretty wild. Yeah, you wouldn't want to ride off in there. You're kind of rough on your noggin. Ride over and see what that rock looks like.
Dang, I got myself so out of breath earlier I can't stop freaking coughing.
From climbing that hill?
Yeah.
Rescuing your dad?
Somebody texted UTV or something there. Here, look at
Yep, I see the tracks. It looks like a rock maybe they dug out there and just set up for some reason. They dug out the quarry.
Yeah, it's like they're just stacked there. Look at that.
That's what it is, yeah.
Crazy.
They just piled them up there and stacked them up. Big old rocks.
I wonder if this is the stuff that turns into quicksand when it gets wet.
Could be.
Because look at this. Put your foot on it and just barely scrape it. Look how easily that like comes up.
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't doubt it. It's like powder, ain't it?
Yeah.
Well, we'll go see where that road goes, I guess.
Yep. fun through here. See, it's fun whenever you can free ride through places.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fence right here. Oh, that's before the road. Never mind. I was about to say, wait a minute.
After the road.
Or, yeah. I was about to say, wait a minute. Is that where Jesus was crucified?
I don't know.
I mean, I know it's desert out here, but dang.
I don't know, it's made out of dogwood tree.
Oh, a hole from something right there.
Some strange dirt, yeah, I know.
A little foxhole.
It's like almost like an explosion right there.
Yeah, no, that's what I was gonna say.
Uh-oh, the gate's open there.
Yeah, people's not been leaving them open, just going on their side by sides or whatever. Oh crap.
Yeah, they would poke you.
Well, it wasn't that. It's because whenever I went through it, like a bunch of them flung off and just went in my face.
Yeah, there's nothing but stickers.
Like they flew off like a dandelion.
Oh, you mean the seedlings off of it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, just like I went through it and like I kind of kicked it and it just went poof and then they come up into my helmet.
Oh.
Some of the needles and stuff.
We're in the red dirt. There's another bridge down here. Let's go look at that. Gotta be a bridge down here. I don't know if we can get to it. Ooh, this is weird stuff.
Oh, we might have to continue on that one trail. This looks like it did
so.
I'm trying to see what kind of tracks these are. Some animal tracks. I ain't seen that before. Unless it's like a... It almost looks like a hoof from something.
Not a deer. Oh, that's a horse. That looks like a horse track or something.
I was about to say, if it's a deer, that's a really big deer.
Oh, that's a horse. Because he's got horseshoes on.
I was about to say, back there, I didn't see like a horseshoe track. That's weird.
It'd be some of them wild donkeys out here.
Never knew.
They wouldn't have shoes. That one looked like it had a shoe on, but... What in the heck kind of a mess have we got ourselves into now?
The road less traveled. Oh, look at that. This one's taller.
That's wild.
Yeah, put your bike in the middle of that one. I'll put my bike in the middle of the other one.
We'd go off that. I don't know if we can get back up it.
Like angled. Yeah, angle yours like that, and then I'll angle mine in the other one.
Oh, we want to be the other way, so we're not to the sun. Like this way, you know what I mean?
Now that right there looks like a bull track. That's huge. Right here.
Bunch of bulls, what that is. Ooh, you can smell the creosote in them poles. Even as old as they are, you still smell it.
Yeah. It is cool, some of the stuff you find out here, just venturing around.
Yeah, it is.
Like this bridge, there's no telling how old this is. Probably like early 1800s or something.
Oh yeah, it's an old train bridge. I mean, the tracks, ain't no telling how long it's been since the tracks was in there.
Or sorry, not early. Probably like mid 1800s, late 1800s.
I don't know. Ain't many people come out here. Didn't see no other tracks besides ours. And there's not really a side-by-side trail in here or nothing, so we kind of...
I am down to half a tank already.
I'm still on full.
Lucky. Man, I'm going to have to invest in that soon.
It's dang sure that turbis tank is worth it. The one thing about it in this stuff, you can see your tracks, see where you come from, I guess.
Yeah, that's for sure. Ain't no guessing where you come from.
I come from Missouri.
That's crazy that guy's from Carthage. That still blows my mind.
Ooh,
Oh, wait. Oh.
you're still on the tracks.
Yeah, I know. I realized that whenever I saw our tracks, like we were just talking about.
Way out in the desert. And I didn't bring us no dessert.
That's alright. I ate a pretty hefty breakfast. I ate like 3 eggs and a full can of fried Spam.
Full can of fried Spam. I like Spam.
I love Spam.
Yeah. I don't like that treat brand.
Now, the Spam brand is where it's at. It's gotta be Spam.
Yeah, if it's that Armor Star or that treat or whatever that crap is, that stuff ain't worth having. But Spam is good. It's the only kind that's good.
Oh, yeah. Fried in a skillet with a little bit of butter, and you'll be alright.
Mm-hmm. Good junk. I can take that stuff out. Survival food.
Yep.
It lasts a long time in that can. That's where we went to the dirt piles right there, so.
And potted meat. I love the taste of potted meat, especially with a salted cracker. That's the best.
Yeah, I do too. Your mom don't like that stuff. I do. She likes the Vienna sausage, but not potted meat. I like potted meat.
I honestly think that, in my opinion, I honestly think that potted meat is even better than Spam. Like, just the taste of it, the general taste.
Better than what?
Spam.
Oh.
Like, just the general, like, straight out of the can taste. Like, it's awesome. It's.
I just take it out of the can and take a spoon and eat it.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Spam, it's all right. It's like, it's good, like, out of the can, but it's not like potted meat out of the can, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely something that it tastes way better when you cook it.
When I make a sandwich out of it, I use a whole can of potted meat on a sandwich.
Yeah, same. Either that or just start going to town like I'm using tuna and crackers, but it's potted meat and crackers.
Okay, guys, we're going to get out here in this video so we don't have too long a video. Thank you all for watching. Check out my links below. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.
Wreck on.
Wreck on.